Hello, Helen Harrold. You are teaching our SAT maths course this year for Dunbox Learning. Tell us about the course. What is the SAT maths course?
Okay, so the SAT is a course. So there's the English part and maths part to it, and I'm doing the maths part to it. So we run a grammar course. Most of the courses line up with the exams. So we're doing a 15, 16 or 17 week course, and it ends kind of just before the SAT exam. So that's how we're doing it. And we're also doing some summer courses as well.
Okay. How do you organize the course? How does that go?
So the course is multiple choice. The exam is multiple choice. The students need plenty of practice of multiple choice, and so that's what we do. So it's set up on Google Classroom. Students have work to do each week. We use Khan Academy. They have multiple videos to watch each week and practice of multiple choice questions.
Okay. Do a one hour live class with them, and then they're doing those extra things the rest of the week.
Sure, yeah. And so what I've got to do in the class, I've got to make them enthusiastic. Each week I kind of let them know. We do a Kahoot each week, which is like a quiz on the topic. So they have lots of formulas to learn, and we do a quiz each week. And then I announce each week who's won the quiz, and then I announce each week who's spent most time on Khan. Not that the most time means that the highest grade, but it is helpful if you spend a lot of time doing it. So it's my job to encourage them.
I know I would work harder if I knew my teacher was gonna announce how much time I'd spent. I think you kind of need that bit of accountability, don't you?
And the parents want to know it as well, so it's that feedback to parents,
Yeah.
and letting the parents know what their kids are doing as well. Also, it's really changed. I mean, the SAT's changed. There's something called Desmos now, so it's a graphing calculator. So all the SAT is now digital, and it's a graphing calculator. So we've been watching and practicing with that as well. I mean, which is such a game changer, like helping students be able to use it and showing them how to use it. So we need some interaction, and we need them to be doing things.
So you do that kind of interactively through the Zoom?
It's all digital, so it's just all online. They just download, they just put it up on a screen, and then they practice questions. So
that's great. And you've mentioned that you give feedback to the parents as the course goes along?
Sure, yeah, because it's just they just need to know what's happening, and they're paying for a course. As a parent, I want feedback. My kids are doing a course. I want to know. I don't want to just pay the money and then not know what's happening. I want to know what's happening and with my kids doing the work and how they're doing with the course and what they should be doing or how they can improve. So I need that feedback as a parent.
You can retake an SAT to get a higher score if you want to improve it, right?
Yeah, and people do. So we've had children. Some students doing multiple courses. We've had some students like doing SAT and then doing a course with us, and then they did an exam, and then they're doing another course with us to get higher grades. And they have obviously they've improved their grades by doing multiple courses with us.
That's great. Great. Thank you, Helen.
Okay, thank you.